What grade is this last one? What grade is she in?
Lewis?
This last girl.
The last girl. Fifth.
Hello,
Fifth?
my name is Lion Scott. I attend Lexi Charter School. I'm in 5th grade, and the title of my poem is called Amazing. In many ways, I'm amazing. On stages, I'm hot, I'm blazing. On any occasion, I shock you, I'm tasting with poetry. I'm in it for real, I'm in it for skill. My parents fed me with it, put in my bottle, infamil. My rhymes, cries of empathy, of the melody of my history. Sisters, sing with me. I represent for my ancestors, singing songs in a cotton field. I represent for Aaliyah, I won $1 million. I am Emmett Till. You get it? I'm crazy with it when I spit it, like Key and Peele. I'm the real deal, I ain't now Holyfield. When I perform it, I bring the heat like George Foreman grills. I got lyrical miracles. I got lyrical miracles more than Joel Osteen does sing spiritual. I know proper preparation prevents poor performance, so I'm performing my powerful piece of poetry when I pull apart my pants and pickpocket my ink pen and start writing some excitement again. I'm a popular people person, practicing poetry with purpose. I go for my goals like Gabby Douglas, cause it's worth it. And any show I can go bananas when I flow, even Nestle, I'm quicker than Coco. I'm a Lexi scholar from the west side, the best side of Chicago. Holla if you know so.